Here we have we finished to harvest second flesh, and now we will prepare to watering before third flesh. We will clean the bed. Now I want to heat up before watering. I want to heat up compost, and for this I heat up air gradually. Now air I increase it to 17 degrees, and I will go further with increasing air temperature to even 20-21 degree. I will keep humidity 87%, and I will switch off dehumidification. Fan speed on this stage I set to minimum 30%, to minimum that can keep our temperature. Before cleaning the bed, I will do small watering to moisture casing surface. I will do it for the reason to prevent pickers, when they will clean the bed, from taking parts of casing soil, dry casing soil. When casing soil will be more wet, it will be easier for them to not damage casing soil. Now Yuri will show us how to clean the bed, what we should leave on a bed and what we should take from the bed when we move to next harvest, next flesh. So Yuri, you show. Such small mushrooms should not be removed from the shelf because you risk damaging the structure of the casing soil. Only remove those that have already fallen, roots and mushrooms that are convenient to pick by hand, larger ones. If pickers are instructed to remove very small mushrooms as well, they often start raking them like with rake. This is unacceptable, but happens frequently. This not only risks spreading disease, but also significantly disrupts the next flush. In such areas, it simply won't appear. However, if the pickers are tired or unexperienced, they may start doing this, which is not allowed. Before watering, before next flesh, we should check our shelves to presence of diseases. And if we have some diseases, we should remove them or block them from spreading. For example, here after second flesh we have Mycogon on this shelf, and we should remove it before we start watering, because we want to avoid spreading diseases. Now Yuri will show how he removes this Mycogon from the shelf. With the help of the glove or with plastic bag, we should remove this Mycogon. We should remove this Mycogon from the shelf. It's better to do it with casing nearby. During cleaning the bed before next flesh, we can leave such leftovers of stems on a shelf, because if we ask pickers to clean those stems, they will damage casing soil and they will damage mycelium, and it will do more harm than good. So they can leave this. What they shouldn't do, they shouldn't leave mushrooms, dead mushrooms, on a shelf. This is not good. Those dead mushrooms can lead to problems and can rot straight on the shelf. Here in this room we have pits like this, and this is happening when casing is dry it out, and when pickers take mushrooms from the bed, he or she takes it with part of casing, and it damage casing, it damage mycelium, and the next flashes will be not good on such places. If you see a lot of these places, then you should do something that avoid these situations. During cleaning after first or second flash, we should avoid leaving dead mushrooms on the shelf, because from this dead mushrooms dactylium will start to develop, and you know that dactylium could be a big problem for mushroom farmers. In this room we have start of second flash, second day of second flash. We have enough mushrooms, all fine, but Yuri said that he see not enough generations. We already explained to you how to create generations for second flash. Here we have what grower on this farm did, and this is not perfect situation, so you can make better. In this room now air temperature is 18 degrees and CO2 level 2800 ppm. We maintain quite high level of CO2, trying to achieve mushrooms with bigger stems and more dense. So today we keep high CO2 levels. Tomorrow we will go down with CO2 levels, and also we will go down with temperature to 17 degree. Tomorrow we also will water over the mushrooms in this room. Today is too early to water because we still have a lot of small mushrooms, and if water will touch those small mushrooms, they can stop grow. So we will water this room tomorrow. On this shelf you can see that mushrooms appear on the left side and much less mushrooms on the right side. It's third flash, and the reason for that can be different. One of the reasons can be not good cleaning after second flash, when they picked too much small mushrooms from third flash. Also can be that second flash on the right side was harvested too late. Another reason can be the airflow that goes from air ducts from the right, and maybe if airflow on the right was much higher, it could dry out mycelium on this side of the shelf.